Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. This is block 19.1. In this lesson we are going to learn about steam locomotive and high speed train. Yes, this is about rail transport. Steam locomotive is one of the oldest trains and high speed trains are what we see in the present days, okay, which move very fast with the help of electricity. Okay, we'll be learning more about this in this video. We have already learnt about road transport. Today we will learn about two types of rail transport, the steam locomotive and the high speed train. The word locomotive means a vehicle uses power from steam, diesel or electricity to pull the train forward. Okay? Locomotive means a vehicle that uses power from steam, diesel or electricity to pull the train forward. So here is the lesson and the content book. You read it. Let us watch this video.
The Japanese Shinkansen, the first high-speed train, was built in 1964. It is known as the bullet train because of its bullet-like shape and high speed. It has 9 different tracks that carry thousands of passengers across important cities in Japan. It can travel up to a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour.
So that is really interesting, right? A train that can travel at such a great speed, 320 kilometers per hour. Okay, so let's learn more about the steam locomotives and bullet trains. Which train can travel longer distances and why? The high-speed train can travel longer distances because it can move very quickly. It is a newer form of transport for traveling quickly between cities. Okay, high-speed train moves very quickly and it can move between cities also. How is a high-speed train different from a steam locomotive? The steam locomotive is an older form of rail transport that is not used much nowadays, while the high-speed train is a newer form of transport that is used more often. The steam locomotive is much slower than the high-speed train. Now let us understand the differences between a steam locomotive and high-speed train through this table. Steam locomotive, it is slower in movement. High-speed train moves very fast. Steam locomotive causes more pollution whereas high-speed train causes less pollution. Steam locomotive runs on the fuel steam whereas high-speed train runs on the fuel electricity. Okay, so steam locomotive no and high-speed train yes. Are we using more of steam locomotive? No. High-speed trains we are using more. And steam locomotive is old and high-speed trains are the new trains, right? What are some problems of high-speed trains? If a high-speed train has an accident, it would be very dangerous because the train moves at a very high speed. In order to travel quickly, the high-speed trains stop at very few stations and so they cannot connect many places with each other. So far we learnt about two disadvantages of high-speed trains. One is if there is an accident, it will be very dangerous because the high-speed trains move at a great speed. And because it travels very quickly, it doesn't stop at many stations. So it can't connect many places. High speed trains usually travel between big cities and so we may not be able to use them to reach smaller cities and towns. Now all of you open your workbook, put today's date. Read the first question, write if true or false. A high speed train is faster than a steam engine. True. A steam locomotive is used in most places today. False. A steam locomotive takes as much time to reach a place as a high speed train. False. A high speed train is newer form of rail transport. True. Question 2. Complete the table. What does it run on? High speed train, electricity. Steam locomotive, steam. Now second question. Does it cause a lot of pollution? High speed train, no. And steam locomotive, yes. High speed train doesn't cause lot of pollution because it runs on electricity, it doesn't give smoke. Whereas steam locomotive, it runs on oil, steam, or wood, so it gives out lot of smoke and causes air pollution. Question 3. How could a high speed train be more dangerous than a steam locomotive? The speed is very high when it comes to the high speed train, and if there is an accident, it will be very dangerous. Right? Now, all of you open your content book. Put today's date here next to the practice questions. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by choosing words from the brackets. A high speed train runs on dash. Electricity or coal? Electricity is the correct answer. Tick the word and write the whole spelling in the blank. B. A steam locomotive runs on steam produced by what? Electricity or coal? Coal. Then second question, write two disadvantages of a steam locomotive. Steam locomotive moves very slowly and causes air pollution. Third question, why are high speed trains common in many countries? Today in many countries people want to move very fast, and they want their travel to be very comfortable. So that is the reason people are using high speed trains in many countries. Read the lesson from the content book, complete your work, whether it is worksheet or practice questions, and the table you draw it in the notebook, social notebook. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day.